Hello guys, I wanted to share my review on this clip-on reading light. I have been using this since 1 year. Mm, It, it opens up like this, and you can clip anything. Like it is very fit. Um, so once you plug it, you don't need to worry about that it will fall off. This is very adjustable. Okay, there are 3 buttons. This is on off switch. Let me. This is on off switch. On, off, on, off. This head is adjustable. It adjusts vertically and horizontally both. Tilts. You can head down as well. Uh, from here, you can change the intensity of the light. It's not visible. It's daytime here, so but let me try to show you. Four settings are there here to change the intensity level. Yeah. Then this one is to change the temperature of the light. Yeah, this is yellowish, white, um, much yellowish. So yeah, that is this. You can change the color from here, and this will change the intensity of the light. And this is on off switch. It shows the battery. Four dots are there. Battery, I haven't tasted battery backup, but its battery lasts very long. I don't remember when last time I charged it, but I'm using it very less. But it don't degrade on, even this is not being used, this will stay the same. Here it's a battery charging setting. Yeah, so it is USB chargeable. You can plug in your mobile charger, a USB port, or you can also directly connect with the laptop. Uh, so it is that. Um, Let me reinstall it. Yeah, it's pretty clear at night for reading books. I also use it when sometimes I'd get ulcer in my mouth to check the, like, this is very slim, so you can use it. It's very portable, so easy to use. Where in the spots where it's difficult to use the normal light, the mobile light, it is feasible on that kind of spots. Yeah, this is it. The most thing I like about it is that it's built quality. I have dropped accidentally many times during this 1 year. Nothing happens to this light. It just stays the same. So I'm very impressed by the build. Price is, I feel it's higher. I bought it around 1500 rupees. So price I think is very high, but the reliability it gives, the build quality it gives is pretty satisfying. So if you are considering to buying this, I would say, yeah, this is a good. I have a good experience. You can go for it. Thank you. Bye.